I'm recording.
Firefly hunting.
You're blurry. Really, really blurry. And my toe hurts. I don't think you can see. Wait. No! Ow. Turn around you.
Swinging in space. Back here.
You got that?
Where are you at?
Where are you? Over there. There. Why is this so fucking blurry? Oh, no.
Oh, come on.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
I see it.
Oh! I didn't see that.
Yeah.
You didn't? Oh, here's those guts.
Can you see the gut shot?
But you didn't see it on the thing.
Oh!
Oh, I saw that, but I don't think the video did.
See that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes, you see it. Turn around. They're over here. Yeah, right behind your head. There. Right there. You can see it blinking. Didn't see it. Look like you're hunting.
Screw you. Right up, punk. Right up, baby.
Oh, I think you saw that. Yes, we see it. We see it. Get away.
How long is it?
Yeah, 1 hour and 50 minutes. Oh, right there. Right there. It's nasty.
There's a firefly. Oh, I killed one.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god. Come here. Come here. Can you see that?
Oh my god.
I killed one by throwing it.
I don't see it. Oh.
Do y'all see that right there? Yeah. Oh.
Ow!
I got blood on my fingers, man.
Ew!
Blood on my
Get it off! Okay, let me try.
Here, stop recording.
How did...
Press that button.